What we have here today is the Crickett 22 rifle and the Rossi triple threat. They're both single shot 22s, and the Rossi is a break action rifle, and the Crickett is a bolt action rifle. Both single shot, so we're going to see which one is faster to shoot, and we're gonna do some dueling tree shooting also. So today I have I'm gonna be shooting, and my sister Patty is gonna be shooting. Even though she's pretty young, she's a really good shot, and she has actually beat some police officers in some competitions before, so she's you don't want to mess with her. So we're gonna make this video and see what happens. Alright, so now we're gonna shoot the Rossi 5 shots as fast as we can. .5 seconds. Alright, now we're going to shoot the Crickett. We're going to also shoot 5 shots as fast as we can. Alright, 47.2 seconds. Now it's Patty's turn. Okay, now we have Patty. She's going to shoot the Crickett first. 5 shots as fast as she can. Alright, ready, Patty? Alright, 21.68 seconds. That was faster than me. Alright, now Patty's going to shoot the Rossi. She's going to shoot 5 shots as fast as she can. Ready? Alright, so you got it in 40.9 seconds. Good job, Patty. Alright, now it's time for the dueling tree competition. Patty is going to use the Crickett, and I'm going to use the Rossi. We're going to be shooting at that small dueling tree right there. There's 3 targets on the top on the left and 3 targets on the bottom on the right now. And we're just going to keep going back and forth until one side gets cleared. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Set, go! Alright, I got it.
Just hit it.
Alright, so let's switch rifles. Okay, so now we switched rifles. Patty's going to be shooting the right side with the Rossi, and I'm going to be shooting the left side with the Crickett. We're going to see how it goes.
Careful.
Alright. Ready, set, go. Got it again.
That is not a good gun.